Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Joachim Lucius and this is the 7th take. I'm trying to nail these videos without any kind of script and try to be as natural as possible. So it feels a bit weird to me, but I'm trying to get used to it. This is my second video on my how-to series about the Canon C200, and today I'll talk to you about how to auto black balance. I'm pretty sure you know about this if you have this camera, and if you don't know about it as well too, don't feel sorry. It's something a lot of people don't know about. I didn't know about this as well too once I got this Canon C200, and reason being that is this is a feature that is found only on high-end cameras, so you can feel good about yourself if you own a C200 or any camera that has this feature. So without no further ado, I'm going to jump straight into the topic: black balance. Firstly, why do you want to black balance, or what is black balance? You know, it sounds like white balance, and the reason why you white balance is you want to give your camera a reference for true white, so that your white will be white, and you don't have any to prevent any color tint, or whatever the case may be. Black balance also does the same function, but what it does is it gives your camera a reference for true black, so it makes your blacks black. If you're experiencing noise on your Canon C200, you might probably want to also black balance your camera, because that significantly reduces the noise in your shadows. But what it does is when you close, or when you put on this function, your iris automatically closes, and it's advisable to always put on your lens hood, and if possible your lens cap as well too. This process takes approximately about a minute or a couple of seconds, and what it does is it eradicates every form of noise from your pixels, and really this really works. Unfortunately, I can't demonstrate this to you guys because I recently just did mine, so you will really see, or you might not see any significant difference. But if you do this, it really help with your, it will help by cleaning your shadows and making your blacks true blacks. So how you want to find this on the Canon C200 is you want to stay on your very first page of your menu settings, and you want to navigate to the 6th sub tab, and you see it, I think it's the first thing. It's called auto black balance, and before you click on that, make sure to cover your lens with its cap and lens hood if possible, and it lets it run its course. This is really useful, and I implore you to do this. Unlike black balance, you don't need to do it as often. Unlike white balance, you don't need to do this as often as possible. It doesn't require you to change calibrate your system every minute or to every scene you go to. You know, with the white balance, if I leave my room now, for instance, and I go somewhere else with different lighting conditions, I need to set my white balance. You know, but black balance is a periodic thing. You don't need to do that as often as possible. There are different ways you can do this, and it's highly recommended that as soon as you get your camera the first day, it's highly recommended for you to auto black balance your system. If you're moving from a region that is extremely cold to a warm region as well too, you want to, let's say for instance you're moving from, say, Nigeria, where I come from, you're moving to, say, anywhere in Europe, or say Denmark, or say Norway, or those cold places, you want to auto black balance your camera. And if you not use the camera for a long period of time, well, long period of time is relative, because there's no really standard definition of what is a long period of time without use. But let's say if you have used your camera for, like, say, a month, 2 months, or yeah, you know, you can do that as well too. And again, if you feel like doing it, if you have the time to do it, you can just do it. It's really highly recommended. So basically, guys, this was it about black balance. Take home is, if you have this function on your camera, please do it, because it can clean up your shadows, and just like white balance, it will make your black true black, like true crispy black. Gentlemen, ladies, that was it for today. Thank you for listening to me up until this point, and if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and until next time, I'm wishing you a good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are in this part of the world. Do stay safe and keep creating, and yeah, press that bell button so that you get my notifications whenever I put up a new video. Alright, gentlemen, that was it, and ladies, that was it. I'm done. Yeah. So you can go and create. I'm done. Don't stare and look at me. I know you like my jacket, but I'm done. Alright, bye, peace out.